What? We back with another little quick update. Show y'all just dropped the motor in the LS1 into the Monte Carlo. Got the harness, connected it all up before I dropped it in. It was easier for me that way, I felt. Pushed it over, dropped it into the engine bay. It was real easy. All it was two bolts. Well, actually four. Two for the what you call that? Two for the engine mounts, and then two back there on the G-force cross member for the transmission mount. Super easy. Took about 15 minutes. It was mainly just trying to fit it up in there. I had to go up underneath the car. I was getting stuck somewhere, couldn't figure out where, and it was actually the transmission mount was stuck on the G-force cross member. So I had to get underneath there, jack it up. You're gonna see me in a little while up underneath the car. I think the camera stopped like right around there. Right here I'm looking, I'm seeing, trying to figure out where it's stuck at. And then I finally figured it out. It was only stuck very, all I had to do was lift it up. So I got up underneath there, jacked it up, pushed it, jacked it up, pushed it, and it went right on. And then I put them two bolts down there, and then put the two bolts in the engine mounts. And we in there. Fit perfect. No, I got the F-body F-body headers, so I didn't have no problems of fitment issue. F-body oil pan, no banging, pause, no, I didn't have to do nothing, bro. It just fell right in. Easy swap. I see some people be having problems, but I didn't have none of them problems. So this is the finished product. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, send it to a friend, and talk to you on the next one. Peace.